In this module, we'll be discussing an essential aspect of engineering and manufacturing processes, the engineering bill of materials. The engineering bill of material is developed during the design phase of a product life cycle. These engineering bills of materials are often based on computer-aided design or electronic design automation tools. There are usually a few different components in an engineering bill of materials. These include the part number, the part name, and the description, the quantity of each component, the unit of measure, the reference designator, which identifies where the component is used in the assembly, the material and material specifications, which details about the material used and its specifications, suppliers, and supplier part numbers, which generally provide information about suppliers and their part numbers. One unique thing about an engineering bill of materials is that it's actually quite common for more than one EBOM to be associated with one finished product. And that's it, the engineering bill of materials. Understanding the engineering bill of materials is crucial for efficient manufacturing processes. It ensures that the right components are procured, manufactured, and assembled to create high-quality goods.